Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of PN Amerse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Question number 5 of chapter number 7. Fill in the empty boxes using the pattern of multiplication or addition as per example. Students, here two examples are given. As per the example, in the following sums we have to fill the empty boxes using the pattern of multiplication or addition. आपको जो एग्जाम्पल दिए उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन या एडिशन का पैटर्न यूज करना है. Here in example 1, here you can see that here the pattern circle squares are given. We have to find out which pattern is used here, multiplication or addition. यहाँ पे जो दो सर्कल्स में जो नंबर्स लिखे हैं आपको उन दोनों को या तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है या तो ऐड करना है, तो आपको आंसर ये जो बॉक्स में लिखा हुआ है वो आएगा. सो हियर इफ़ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग द नंबर्स रिटन इन द सर्कल और एडिंग देम वी विल गेट द आंसर विच इज़ रिटन इन द स्क्वायर बॉक्स. हियर इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई 7 and 10, अगर हम 7 और 10 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब हमारा आंसर 70 आएगा. And if we are multiplying 10 and 2, then we will get the answer 20. So here the pattern of multiplication is used. यहाँ पर multiplication का pattern यूज़ किया है. सेकेंड में भी सेम, अगर आप सर्कल में जो नंबर्स हैं उसको आप प्लस या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको वो नंबर मिलेगा जो स्क्वायर में लिखा हुआ है. So here if we add 7 and 12, we will get 29. And if we add 12 and 15, we will get 27. So here the pattern of addition is used. Similarly, in the following sums, we have to fill the empty boxes using the pattern multiplication or addition. So students, इस तरह से आपको जो empty boxes हैं वो आपको fill करने हैं. आपको multiplication या addition का pattern use करना है. To find out the pattern, we have to use the three numbers which are given इन सीक्वेंस. जो 3 नंबर सीक्वेंस में दिए हैं वो पहले आपको फाइंड आउट करना है, उसको देख के कि आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन यूज़ करना है कि एडिशन. हियर द 2 नंबर्स आर 4 and 12. इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई 4 and 12 वी विल गेट 48, बट इफ़ वी ऐड 12 and 4 वी विल गेट 16. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप 12 and 4 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 48, बट आप 4 and 12 को ऐड करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 16. So here the pattern used is of addition. So now we will add 19 and 4. By adding 19 and 4 you will get 23. And then we will add 19 and 6. We will get the answer as 25. Then we will add 6 and 14. We will get the answer 20. By adding 14 and 7 we will get the answer 21, and by adding 12 and 7 we will get the answer 90. Now sum number 2. Here also, where the 3 numbers are given in sequence, we will find out whether multiplication or addition pattern is used. Here students, if we multiply 7 and 11 we will get 77. So here the method of pattern of multiplication is used. So now we will multiply 7 and 13. By multiplying 7 and 13 we will get 91. By multiplying 13 and 5 we will get 65. By multiplying 5 with 15 we will get 75. By multiplying 15 and 4 we will get 60, and by multiplying 11 and 4 we will get 44. Students, similarly third and fourth part of question number 5 you have to do it by yourself. Question number 6 of chapter 7, do as directed. First part of question number 6. Fill the given square using the numbers from 21 to 29 in such a way that each row and column add up to 75. Students, here you can see squares are given. We have to fill these squares with number 21 to 29 in such a way that if we add each row and if we add each column, the answer should be 75. Now here 25 number is given. we have to fill the remaining squares using 21 to 29 numbers. Students, suppose here if we write 21, then 21 plus 25 will be 46, and if we subtract 46 from 75, we will get 29. So by adding 21 plus 25 plus 29, we will get 75. Now students, now we will write here 26. By adding 26 plus 21, we will get 47, and by subtracting 75 from 47, we will get 28. So by adding 26 plus 21 plus 28, we will get 75. Now students, here in this way also you can add. By adding 28 plus 25, we will get 53, and if we subtract 53 and 75, we will get 22, and by adding 28, 25 and 22, we will get 75. Now if we add 26 and 22, we will get 48, and by subtracting 75 from and 48, we will get 27, and then we will add this 27 and 25, and 27 and 25 will be 52, and we will subtract 52 from 75, we will get 23. Now here you can see we have written number 21, 22, 23. 24 number is missing, so here in the last square we will write 24. So students, in this way if you add all the rows and all the columns, you will get the same answer, 75. Now second part of question number 6. Fill the given squares using the numbers from 35 to 43 in such a way that each row and column add up to 117. Here also we have to fill the boxes with the help of the numbers 35 and 43 in such a way that each row and column will add up to 117. Here students, you can see two numbers are given in this row, 39 and 43. By adding 39 and 43, we will get 82, and by subtracting 82 from 117, we will get 35. So here we will write 35. Now we will add this 40 and 35. 40 plus 35 is 75, and we will subtract 117 and 75. By subtracting it, we will get 42. Now here 42 is given, 39 is given, and we will find this number here which is missing. आपको इस तरह से भी अगर आप ऐड करोगे ये तीनों स्क्वायर्स को, तो भी आपका टोटल 117 आना चाहिए. तो आप 42 और 39 को जब आप प्लस करोगे तो आपका टोटल आएगा 81, और आप अगर 117 को 81 और 117 माइनस करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 36. अब 42 प्लस 39 प्लस 36 इज 117. अभी 40 प्लस 36 है 76. अब 76 को 117 से माइनस करोगे तो आंसर आएगा आपका 41. नाउ 39 प्लस 41 विल बी 80, and by subtracting it from 117, we will get 37. Now we will find out the missing number. We have to write the numbers from 35 to 43. 35 we have written, 36 we have written, 37 we have written, 38 we haven't written. So here we will write 38. So students, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 नंबर्स हमने लिखे हैं. अगर आप 42, 37, 38 को प्लस करोगे, 35, 39, 43 को प्लस करोगे और 40, 41, 36 को प्लस करोगे तो भी आंसर 117 आएगा. और if you are adding 42, 35, 40, 37, 39, 41 and 48, 43, 36, then also your answer will be 117. Now students, we move to third part of question number 6. Fill the given square using the numbers from 46 to 54 in such a way that each row and column add up to 150. Students, here also we have to fill the squares with the help of the number 46 to 54 in such a way that each row and each column will add up to 150. Now here 52 and 47 is given. By adding 52 and 47 we will get 99, and by subtracting it from 150 we will get 51. 52 और 47 को प्लस करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा 99, एंड 99 और 150 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो 51 आंसर आएगा. अब 51 और 46 अगर आप ऐड करोगे तो आंसर आएगा 97, and by subtracting 97 from 150 we will get 53. So here we will write 53. Now 53 plus 49 will be 102, and if we subtract 102 from 150 we will get 48 here. Now by adding 48 and 52 we will get 100, and by subtracting 100 from 150 we will get 50 here. Now students, 46 is given, 47 is given, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52 is given, 53 is also given. The remaining number we will write here, that is 54. Now by adding each row and each column, the answer will be 150. Students, in this way, fourth part of question number 6, you have to do it by yourself. With this we end our today's video, and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.